Are you climbing the wrong ladder? Hello, this is one shot to the future. You are working hard. You are exhausted. But ask yourself, am I happy? If the answer is no, then you are chasing a foreign goal. Society, parents, and Instagram tell you, be a doctor, start a startup, buy a big house. You think you want it, but actually your mind wants it, not your soul. Chasing a foreign goal is like wearing shoes that are 2 sizes too small. You can walk, but every step is torture. And even if you reach the finish line, you will feel empty, not triumphant. Your goal versus foreign goal. How do you distinguish between the two? Foreign goal. Your mind says, I must do this. But your soul feels heavy. The path is full of struggle and forced discipline. Your goal. Your soul sings. You lose track of time. You don't need discipline because you are pulling yourself toward it. Transurfing says, your goal will turn your life into a celebration. If you are suffering right now, stop. You are not lazy. You are just on the wrong track. True success feels like sliding down a slide, not climbing up a cliff. Don't break the door, find the key. Now, let's talk about the door. The door is the path to your goal. If your goal is right, but the path is incredibly hard, you are knocking on the wrong door. You are trying to break down a steel door with your bare hands. When you find your door, it opens easily. Everything flows. You meet the right people. You get lucky breaks. This is not magic. It is alignment. If you have to fight the world every single day, you are forcing a door that isn't yours. Step back and look for the open window. Soul first, mind second. The rule is simple. When choosing a path, ignore your logic mind for a second. Listen to your gut, soul. If you think about the goal and feel a warm expansion in your chest, that is a yes. If you feel a tightness or anxiety, that is a no. Your mind is loud, but your soul is quiet. Turn down the noise and listen to the whisper. Take off the tight shoes. Find the path that feels like you. In the next video, we will discuss the final piece of the puzzle. Money comes as an attribute, not a goal. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.